If a bottom logo isn't a deal breaker, this is easy money. This is a fresh batch of ready-to-ship cup and saucer sets. You can move these fast. They're made of durable stoneware and packed in premium, full-color gift boxes. And what you see in this video is exactly what you get upgrade, genuine quality. But here's the key. Low mock, low risk, fast turnaround. Perfect for startups, test orders, or anyone who wants to move fast. Without tying up cash. This batch is limited. Once it's gone, it's gone. So if you're interested, send me a message now. And I'll share the full details, pricing, and real-time stock with you. Let's move fast on this one.